So, you know that feeling when you have a long cardigan and you want it to look a bit shorter, but if you tuck it just into your pants, you'll end up with that bulky word up front. In this video, I will show you a quick hack to shorten your cardigan neatly without stuffing it into your waistband. It is super easy and it looks way more polished. Let's do it! So here's what I do. I start by undoing about 4 buttons from the bottom of the cardigan. Once those are open, I basically take the bottom buttonhole on one side and I fasten it into the 4th button up on the other side. Then I do the same thing on the opposite side. So you're kind of crossing the bottom corners and buttering them up. That way, the front gets this neat. Now for the back. You got a couple of options. You can gather the extra fabric and just tuck it into your pants if you want a quick fix. Or you can leave it hanging loose for a more relaxed vibe. What I prefer is to take a little elastic. Gather the fabric at the back, wrap the elastic around it twice, and tuck it underneath. That way, it looks neat from both of the front and the back, and you're good to go the whole day. And now looking at the front, you can see it's neatly cropped and smooth. For the next hack, you're actually going to use the same cardigan again. But of course you can also change. This time, we're going to keep it open and use a ribbon to create a bow. So, just unbutton your cardigan completely and then thread a ribbon through the top buttonhole. Tie it there so it's secured and then make a bow. If the ribbon ends up a bit too long, just trim it to the length you like. And once you try the bow, you can absolutely wear it in the front if you like that look. But personally, I think it looks even nicer if you turn a cardigan around so the bow is at the back.